Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Sonic English Podcast. I'm Sarah, and today I want to give you something special, something small but powerful, something you can practice anywhere, anytime, something that can change your English much faster than you expect. Let me ask you a question. What if just 5 minutes could make your English smoother? What if just 5 minutes could improve your confidence? What if just 5 minutes could help you sound more natural? Well, today we're going to do exactly that. A short shadowing practice that fits into your day, no matter how busy you are. You can do this while walking, while cooking, during a short break, or even right before you sleep. All right, my friends, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and just follow my voice. Let's begin. Shadowing practice. Asking, beginning a conversation. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Do you have a moment? Do you have a moment? I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something. I have a small question. I have a small question. I want to share an idea. I want to share an idea. Social feelings. It's nice to meet new people. It's nice to meet new people. I enjoy talking to others. I enjoy talking to others. I like learning about people. Everyone has something interesting to say. Everyone has something interesting to say. Emotional check-in. I feel good today. I feel good today. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel positive. I feel positive. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel stressed. Sometimes I feel stressed. Sometimes I feel worried. Sometimes I feel worried. But it is okay. But it is okay. These feelings are normal. These feelings are normal. Everyone feels this way sometimes. Everyone feels this way sometimes. When I feel tired, I rest. When I feel tired, I rest. When I feel stressed, I breathe. When I feel stressed, I breathe. When I feel sad, I talk to someone. Talking helps me understand my feelings. Self-care. I try to be kind to myself. I try to be patient. I try to think slowly. I try to focus on what I can do. Small steps are enough. Small steps are enough. Asking for help. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I need a little help. I need a little help. I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure what to do. Can you explain it to me? Can you explain it to me? Can you show me how to do it? Can you show me how to do it? I didn't understand that part. I didn't understand that part. Could you speak a little slower? Could you speak a little slower? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. That was very kind of you. That was very kind of you. Thanks for taking the time. Learning English. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. I practice a little every morning. I practice a little every morning. Learning a language takes time. Learning a language takes time. It takes patience. It takes patience. It takes practice. It takes practice. It takes consistency. It takes consistency. But I can do it. But I can do it. Okay, my friends. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did an amazing job. Shadowing may look simple, but it is one of the most powerful ways to train your ear, your voice, and your confidence. Before you go, I have a small announcement. The channel membership for Sonic English Podcast is now open. If you join, you will get special members-only lessons, extra shadowing practice, speaking challenges, early access videos, and a supportive English community. If you want to grow faster, this membership is made for you. I'm Sarah. This is Sonic English Podcast, and I can't wait to practice with you again. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.